So my name is Josh, and I'm here with Shelter127. I stay here quite a bit during the week. Do a lot of guard duty, whatever needs done. I don't know if we've communicated really well about how this shelter thing works, but basically we go out, we stay here every night. There's a couple people here, and then when the morning comes, we get up and go to work because most of us have jobs, which kind of leaves the shelter unattended all day. It's whatever. Like, we all have to go to work. So Friday was day 65, right? And we come back from work and, get ready. So we walk up to the shelter, and this whole wall over here is completely blown out. Like, it's hanging there. Actually, the hammock was the only thing keeping it on. There's a chain between one wall and the other, and the hammock was holding that wall on, but the whole side had blown out. It had been like that for several hours. We didn't even have time to fix it that night. None of us had the energy, so we just kind of propped it back up and slept in here. It just makes me think, like, I live in Northwest Ohio. We're here in Northwest Ohio, 30-40 mile an hour wind. Not that big of a deal, especially when you think that Haiti is an island in the Caribbean where hurricanes are common. Hurricanes, tropical storms, 70, 80, 90 mile an hour winds. And there's whole families, like, living in these things, living in these shelters, with nowhere else to go. Like, if it's raining hard, I can go inside somewhere. Like, I can go find a place to stay for a while and be fine. But in Haiti, this is where they live. This is it. It's all they have. So it was a rough night. Took a lot out of us, but it just reminded me anyways of why we're doing this. Okay, so we're 3,000 away. 3,000. We're 3,000 away from providing two real safe homes for two real families in Haiti. So help us get there. If we could get there by day 80, that would be awesome. So thanks.